High above our world, beyond the reach of roads and cities, lives a bird that almost never lands. This is the common swift, one of nature's most extraordinary endurance champions. It can remain airborne for up to 8 months without touching the ground. For this bird, the sky is not a destination, it is home. But how can a creature survive, eat, and even sleep while flying? The answer lies in extraordinary adaptation and evolutionary design. The common swift has long, curved wings, built for aerodynamic efficiency. Its wing shape reduces drag and maximizes lift with minimal energy use. Its skeleton is lightweight, perfectly engineered for sustained flight.
Powerful flight muscles allow it to glide effortlessly for hours.
Much of its journey is spent gliding, conserving precious energy. It uses air currents like the invisible highways across continents. Even at high altitudes, it remains stable. It remains the stable and efficient. Every part of its body is optimized for life in motion. Eating thousands of insects mid-air keeps it fueled daily. Swifts capture prey with incredible speed and precision. They drink water by skimming lakes without landing. Even bathing can happen during low, fast flight. Mating often occurs while airborne. They communicate through sharp, piercing calls. Storms become obstacles. They must navigate carefully. They rise higher to avoid dangerous weather systems. Young swifts quickly learn to master the skies. From birth, flight defines their existence. Perhaps most astonishing is their ability to sleep while flying. They use a process called unihemispheric sleep. One half of the brain rests, while the other stays alert. This allows them to glide safely through the night. This allows them to glide safely through the night. Brain activity shifts gently between hemispheres. They ascend to higher altitudes during sleep. Up in the thin air, they drift in controlled rest.
Even in sleep, their wings remain steady. Each year, swifts migrate and make between Europe and Africa.
The journey spans thousands of kilometers. They cross deserts and oceans without pause.
Magnetic fields guide their navigation.
Instinct and celestial cues shape their route. Wind currents become powerful allies.
Months pass before they finally return.
And still, they have barely landed. Scientists tracked Swift using tiny data loggers. The data revealed months of continuous flight. Proof that endurance has biological limits far beyond ours. The Swift challenges what we believed possible. It is a symbol of freedom and resilience. A life almost entirely written in the sky. For 8 months, the Earth is only a distant memory. The sky is not the limit. For some creatures, it is home.